let's have the derivative of tangent function. Alright, so if y equals tangent, so sorry, wala itong s dapat. Alright, so if y equals tangent x, then derivative of tangent x is equal to secant squared x. Now, if u is differentiable function of x, then according to chain rule, we have the derivative of tangent u is equal to secant squared u du. Okay? So let's have an example. Differentiate y equals tangent 2x. Okay. So, kagaya ng ginagawa natin lagi, hanapin mo natin yung ating u at saka yung ating du. So, as you can see, this is our u. And we could say that u is equal to 2x and du is equal to 2. Now, let's have the formula. Our formula is derivative of tangent u is equal to secant squared u du. Alright, so copy lang natin. And ang ating u is 2x and our du is 2. So the answer would be 2 secant squared 2x. Okay, so this is our answer. So let's have the next example. Y equals tangent 4x minus 1. Again, let's have our u. So our u here is 4x minus 1. And our du is 4. 4 na lang kasi ito yung magiging 1 and then 0 na. Now, let's apply the formula. We have the derivative of tangent u is equal to secant squared u du. So, copy na natin ang secant squared. And then our u here is 4x minus 1. And our du is 4. So, rewrite lang natin to. So, we have 4 secant squared x minus 1. So this is now our derivative. Alright, this time let's have y equals tangent sine x. Okay? So meron tayong another function dito sa loob. So we could say that this is our u. So since our u is sine x, we know that the derivative of sine x is positive cosine x. Now, let's apply the formula. So we have d tangent of u is equal to, or the derivative of tangent u is equal to secant squared u du. So here we have to copy secant squared, and then our u here is sine x, and our du is cosine x. So this is now our derivative. Let's proceed to the derivative of cosecant function. Y equals cosecant x. If y is equal to cosecant x, then the derivative of cosecant x is equal to the negative cosecant x cotangent x. If u is differentiable function of x, then according to chain rule, the derivative of cosecant u is equal to negative cosecant u cotangent u du. So ito lang yung ating tatandaan na formula. Alright, so let's have an example. Let's differentiate y equals cosecant 5x. So again, our u here is 5x. Now, let's just have our du, which is 5 na lang. And let's proceed to the formula. So the derivative of cosecant u is equal to negative cosecant u cotangent u du. Okay, isa-isahin natin. So negative cosecant u, lagyan lang natin. And our u here is 5x. Then our cotangent, lagyan natin ang cotangent natin. U again is 5x. And our du is 5. Okay, so i-write lang natin. Ang constant lagi nasa unahan. So we have negative 5 cosecant 5x cotangent 5x. Okay, so that's it. This is our derivative. Let's have another example. So we have y equals cosecant 2x squared. So again, let's just identify our u. And our u here is 2x squared. And then our du, derive natin to, we have 2 times 2, that is 4, x na lang. Okay? Now, gamitin natin yung ating formula. So, the derivative of cosecant u is equal to negative cosecant u cotangent u du. Okay, basically, kailangan mong taga natin i-substitute ang ating mga values sa ating formula. And make sure na kailangan familiar kayo dun sa ating mga formula na to. Or in short, kailangan memorize natin to. Yung mga formulas na to. So we have negative cosecant u. Our u here is 2x squared. Then cotangent u is, our u here is 2x squared again. And du is 4x. Then i-write lang natin, we have 4x or negative 4x. Negative 4x cosecant 2x squared cotangent 2x squared. So that's it. That's our derivative. Okay, let's try this example. Y equals cosecant 3x squared plus 1. Okay, so again, let's just identify our u. Our u here is 3x squared plus 1. And our du is 3 times 2, that is 6x. And then 0 na ito. So 6x na lang. Alright. So gamitin natin yung ating formula again. We have the derivative of cosecant u is equal to negative cosecant u negative cotangent u du. Alright. So again, copy lang natin yung ating mga trigonometric functions. And then substitute natin yung u. Our u here is 3x squared plus 1. Our cotangent. Then our u again is 3x squared plus 1. Then the du here is 6x. So we'll just rewrite this one. So we have negative 6x cosecant 3x squared plus 1, cotangent 3x squared plus 1. That's it.